The bakery will also use the spinning machines. You can see this spinning the aluminum cycles and then loading the edge. And it can use for the special shape products such as this. Also, this product made by the spinning machines. And this is the spinning inlet and spinning outlet and loading edge. You can also use for the milk cans for this. Also loading the edge in this aluminum edge loading. For our aluminum kettles also can use for the spinning machines, also spinning the bodies and loading the edge inlets. For this big higher pot also can use the spinning machine, and this is a washing aluminum pot, so looks like a different surface. Now let's see our showrooms. This is the spinning products in our showrooms. From this picture, you can see so many products also made by our spinning machine. Spinning machine is not only used for the aluminum handis, aluminum cookware industry, also used for the lighting industry such as the aluminum lampshades making. This is the other big aluminum products, and this is the smaller products. This is the aluminum lampshade, and this is the big aluminum products. It is a high profit product. If you want to manufacture these products, you can contact Rita in Rita's YouTube or Facebook or WhatsApp. Search Rita's YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, and Instagram or TikTok. Also can find Rita. Okay. And this is the stainless steel products and the copper products. This copper product is